Hey, hey, what's that? Hey, 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 a fellow elite! Woo! A fellow elite! Fellow elite! Hey, follow me, fellow elite! Follow me! Follow me! I said follow me! Shut up! Shut up! Follow me down the magic hole! Follow me! Follow me! Follow me! Did you zoom out? What the? Hey look, I found a fellow elite!
Okay, where is he?
Over here! Come here! Yeah, follow me, Dumpling Master! Follow me! Follow me! Follow me!
Crap.
Follow!
2 elites.
Yeah, follow me! Oh my god, why do you hate me?
Because you brought another elite.
You Dumpling Master.
Dumpling Master.
What the?
What the heck is this thing?
He says you have a DS. Oh yeah, I have Starfree. Let them play it. Let me help you out there.
Okay. Dumpling Master. Okay.
Yeah, oil that grill.
Yeah. Okay. Dumpling Master!
What the heck?
Okay.
Dancing.
I'm just gonna walk around. Oh, wait. He's firing. Oh no, he fell off the screen. Oh no. Oh god. Oh my god, he has like 10,000 dumplings.
I know, like, he's gonna break my high score of 2. 2 dumplings.
Seriously, I have a high score of like 20.
Yeah, I'm not a very good gamer, okay?
Why do you play Halo then?
Because it's fun. Hey. Only 75 seconds to go. You better hurry up. Oil that grill.
He fired up and back away. And back away.
Hurry up, Dumpling Master, hurry up!
Oh god.
Hurry up! Hurry up! There's only like 45 seconds left, hurry up! I said hurry! Hurry up! You better hurry up! Oh, what my energy card. Oil that grill.
Oh yeah, he's working it. Yeah.
Look, he's like about to reach my high score of 2.
Already did.
Oh. Come on. 10 seconds left.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
10 seconds.
Yeah, he definitely broke my record of 20.
Oh my gosh. Just like broke my record of 2.
Dumpling Master. He's got like 20,000 dumplings.
I know. He should be like on the World Records book or something.
Hey, Dumpling Master.
Why are you guys in there?
Cause it's like being in the street.
Hi.
And they missing you. Stop freaking me out like that. Don't make me.
Hey look, my butt. I'm coming in here. Are we having a tea party? I like tea parties.
Tea parties.
I like tea parties. Yes, I do.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, let's go. Go where? Oh, let me go over here. Hey, look it up there.
Don't take my stuff.
Oh my god.